Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable your Gmail integration for your campaign. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you are logged in, over here on the left-hand side menu, you just have to click on Campaigns. And from here, select the campaign that you want to enable the Gmail integration for. So for the purposes of this video, I'll be using the 5-day campaign. You just have to click on it to open it. Once the campaign is open, click on integrations from the left hand side. And from here, let's look for Gmail. Here it is. And if this is disabled, to enable it, you just have to toggle the switch. So enable it and then click on the gear icon to the right so we can access the integration settings. And as you can see here, you have the option to send an email upon registration. So when you enable this, a confirmation email will be sent from Gmail to your registrant. So to enable it, just toggle the switch. And once that is enabled, you'll have the edit option available. So when you click on this one, you can edit the confirmation email that will be sent out to your registrant. So here are the fields that you can fill out. You can indicate the sender's email address, the sender's name, the subject of your email, and what you want to send out as the email body. So as you can see here, I put in a custom field. So to add a custom field to your email, you just have to click on this custom field icon. And here are the custom fields that you can put in to your email message. So we have subscriber, webinar, and replay. So in my case, I put in the first name of the registrant. So every time an email is sent out to a registrant, this specific custom field will be pulling the registrant's first name. Here I added the join URL for the webinar so they can easily click on it once they receive the confirmation email. So once you are satisfied with everything, you just have to click on save email. And of course, you can also put a check mark on collect engagement metrics so you can check how many people received your email and how many of them opened the email message. Once satisfied, just click on update settings from the bottom. And there you have it. We have successfully enabled your Gmail integration for your campaign. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.